Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Facebook marketplace is not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now if your marketplace is not showing into the Facebook, there is one simple solution that you should try even if you are in iOS, Android or PC. Just simply open your Facebook application at first, and after that click to the three bars, and from the three bars just simply click to help and support option, and now into the help and support click to report a problem. After that click to continue to report a problem option into here, and then into here you just simply have to choose this marketplace option, and after that it will create this automatic attachment and you have to describe the issue into here. You just simply have to write down something like this: I'm writing marketplace is not showing in my Facebook, please solve this issue. And after that just simply tap into this send button into the top right, and the report will be sent to the help center of Facebook. Whenever they get your request and review it, you will get the marketplace back into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.